What is this? What is this? Well, you probably read the title of my video and you know, OMG, I am super excited. I got my first, wait for it, PR. Yes, and I'm not saying this to like rub it in anyone's face. I am so excited. My Podunk channel has been around for 2 years and I barely have 750 subscribers. So for those of us who have subscribed, thank you so much. If anyone's watching, hey, there's a little button somewhere. I would love if you would subscribe. All right, so who is this PR from? A brand I've never heard of. It's from a brand called Imethod, and I don't do TikTok or Instagram, but I think they're all over there. You may have seen them. They're known for their little plastic, what do you call that, template, and then you press on your eyebrows. As you may or may not know, I don't do my eyebrows, natural eyebrows. But they did have another product, and they were nice. I could select which item I wanted in PR. So I went for, wait for it, this bad boy here. And you may be saying, what the heck is that? This here is the Imethod Beauty He Blushed. It's a blush stick. And let me just say, the packaging is adorable. Let me get it out of the little plastic wrap. All right, so here's a better look. This is a tin container. I love little tin containers. I find them adorable. And when whatever product is spent or used up, then you can use it to store, I don't know, bobby pins, tacks, any little teeny tiny thing that you want to keep track of. Okay, so there is no hinge. The top pops completely off. And this is what it looks like there. Oh, it's a little bigger than the product itself. That makes for extra special tin. All right, so here's the packaging. That was very sleek. And all right, so here is the actual shade. It is a peachy tangerine. Let me read the official color. Interesting, the top of the cap looks a different color. This is the 01 First Love Matte Nude Pink. I would argue either there was a mix-up in the cap. This definitely is a peachy, kind of orangey shade. I'm fine with the shade. I'm just questioning if this truly is the 01 Nude Matte Pink. All right, let's see. How much product do you get? Scroll up and hope it doesn't topple over. Okay, that's for a stick. It's pretty darn good. In milligrams, this is 8 grams or 0.28 ounces. All right, swatch time. That is beautiful. Blend it on out. That is lovely. Every time. Okay, I'm like, I don't think it has a scent. I'm picking up something very subtle. I think it's the hand soap I used. All right, so this product, okay, not only is it a stick blush, but it's one of those products where you can use it as a lip product as well. Okay, so let me wipe off the lip products I have on and let's give it a swipe and see how it does. Good enough. Yeah, I'm just going to take my finger, get some spread out. Interesting. The shade on the finger does look more pink than it does in the tube. However, not what I would consider super pink. Let's just get it on my face and see what it looks like. Not my favorite, but to be fair to this product, I don't like using dual functioning products regardless of the brand. You know what I mean? Like if it's meant for blush or lips, blush, it's as expected. If something's good enough for your cheeks, it's gonna be a little drier and therefore not good for your lips. If it's moisturizing and slippy for your lips, it's going to be way too greasy or, not sticking to your cheek. So I understand they're trying to market, not just this brand, any brand. It's just not my thing. But hey, if you're into it, that's what she looks like. All right, so let's try it now on the cheeks. By the way, I have a full face of makeup on with everything except for blush and highlighter. Because, highlighter goes after blush. Not always, but in my world it does. All right, let's give this one a try. That looks pretty. By the way, they do recommend that you use your fingers, which typically I do anyways with any kind of cream product. Sometimes I go in with a sponge. I may go in with a sponge to kind of blend this out a little more, but let's first plop her on and see what we think. All right, that was nice. Is it the most pigmented, or does it blend spectacularly well as some other brands? No. Is it dry and crusty and you can't see it at all like some other brands? No. I say this is pretty good. Oh, what does this retail for? Let's go back in for a little more. By the way, my studio lighting kind of washes me out, so I always have to go ham on my blush so it looks good on camera. In real life, I look like, yeah. So I'm just going to add a little more lighting. What was I saying? Oh, so this retails for $28, which I'm cheap. Let me know down below. Is that the norm or is that pricey? It seems a little pricey to me, but it is on sale right now for $25.97. And they gave me a 10% off discount code for their entire site. So if you're not into stick blushes and you want to try those brow products, I will put the code on the screen and link it down below in the description box. All right, so I struggle with, oh, there seems to be a little glow in here. Wait, let me pounce it out. What I was saying is I struggle with matching. So I'll do one, I'm like, oh, it's pretty good. Do the other side, and then to match, and I bounce back and forth, and then I end up looking like, that girl. That one. And no judgment on that one, but, sometimes at 55, I don't want to look like that girl. But that is lovely. It's a great color. I would say it is pink, blending a little more peachy pink, which is fine. Did I already mention they have 4 shades? And yeah, what are your thoughts? So leave me a comment and let me know. A, have you heard of this brand, Imethod? B, have you tried any of their products before? And if so, did you like them and which ones? And C, let me know. Do you enjoy cream products and particularly stick blushes? All right, yay. My first PR product review. Heather, let me know how to do. I don't know. I'm just reviewing it as if it was any other product. I didn't get paid to do this. Literally, it was email, PR. I honestly thought it was spam. Reached out to Heather. Hey, Heather, does this look legit? She's like, it looks legit. As long as they don't ask for a credit card, you should be good. I replied to the email. They replied back. I gave my address, and like a week showed up. So yay me. Again, I'm not bragging. I'm just super excited and proud because in my head, if you have a beauty YouTube channel and you get PR, that means you've made it. So want 2 years PR. My channel's made it. Well, you could help me make it if you haven't done so by now. If you could subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And the easiest, quickest thing for you to do to help support my channel is literally click the thumbs up button. There's something about an algorithm and it lets YouTube know how your channel. I don't know, but it just, that's, yeah. Okay, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I want to thank Imethod for sending me my first PR. Again, this is the blush stick in He Blushed. Yeah, so thanks everyone.